Good morning, students. Welcome back to G3 online classes, and today we will discuss about liver rods in detail. Basically, you can see the body of Mercantia plant. Mercantia plant body is thalid-like, and you can see this is a leafy structure, and it has two sides, dorsal side and ventral side. In ventral side, ribbon like structure, you can see that hairy structure. These hairy structures are called rhizoids, and these rhizoids help in the absorptions of minerals and ions. And now you can see that these are sex organs. Basically, this is antheridiopore, male sex organ, and this is archaeogonophore, this is the female sex organs. And now you can see the vegetative structures. These vegetative structures are called gamma cup, and these gamma cups help in the reproduction process via the asexual mode of reproduction. Now we will discuss how Mercantia and other species are related to liver rods in detail. लीवर रूट्स की जैसे हमने अभी देखा है कि जो बॉडी वो कैसी होती है बेटा, थैलाइड बॉडी होती है. हमने अनब्रांच राइजोट्स भी देखे. उसके बाद ये मिलते कहाँ, वेयर दे आर फाउंड, तो दे आर फाउंड इन मॉइस्ट एंड शेडी प्लेसेस, need water for fertilization. As we have discussed, the liver roots or bryophytes are amphibians of a plant kingdom. एग्जाम्पल है बेटा रिका एंड मर्केंटिया. मर्केंटिया के बारे में अभी देखा हमने किस तरह की बॉडी मिलती है, मेल और फीमेल स्ट्रक्चर. अब देखेंगे एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन के बारे में भी हमने डिस्कस किया कि जो एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन है वो या तो फ्रेगमेंटेशन से होता है या विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्पेशलाइज्ड स्ट्रक्चर कॉल्ड गैमा कप्स. अब है स्पोरोफाइट. स्पोरोफाइट इज ए डिप्लॉयड स्ट्रक्चर्स may be represented by capsule only in the case of Rica, or in differentiated into food seta and capsule in the case of Mercantia. Sporophytes lacks assimilatory tissue, thus it is a complete parasite over gametophyte. Basically, these are non-vascular plants. They do not produce seeds, and in the sexual reproduction, spores are produced in capsule, and these spores germinate to produce new gametophyte. This is all about liver rods.